Hey guys, today I'm gonna play this game called Bomb-tastic. This video about something. Whatever. Bomb ba bomb ba ba bomb 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 ba bomb ba bomb bomb bomb. No. That's where I usually am. But I'm gonna start all the way over again for you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna move you right up there. So I'm a chicken. I'm just a chicken. Oh, I guess not. I'm a chicken bomb. Bomb chicken. Bye bye, chicken friend. They just so sad. And they die so sad. Anyway, chicken, chickadee, chicken, chickadee, chicken. Chickadee, chicken, chickadee. Ooh. Secret entrance. Yeah. Forgot I've already been here. I'm just gonna leave that guy alone. It's not like he's doing anything wrong. There's a button. I need to press the button. Bye bye. Ooh, pipe. 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 I haven't been here before, because you can tell, because the gems. Gem and holograms. My brother told me about it. It's like some show about this girl named Gem. And there's these holograms or something. I think it became a movie. Yeah. Did it become a movie? Put that in the comments down below. But anyway. You. Bomb. Secret entrance. It's empty. I've been here before. But it doesn't feel like I've been here before. The weird reality of life. Oh. Hello. Here you go. Eat a bomb. Don't demand. Ask. We ask for more blue gems. Now, I get you blue gems by that, but if you're just gonna be mean like that, I'm getting your crap. Break down the building. Breaking down the building. Ooh, fancy. Chicken pot pie. This is how people make chicken pot pies, and how I become one. Oh my god. No chicken pot pie for you. No chicken pot pie for you. No chicken pot pie for me. No chicken pot pie for you. I'm gonna look in here and see if. Nope. Boo, hoo. A puzzle. I love puzzle games. Especially that game Fame. You should check out that video. Fame. They made a Fame too. But I don't think I could play. If you put in the comment, if you subscribe, I'll play Fame too. Hey, elevator! Party, party, party in the elevator. And I stole that from FGTV. We've had the plan to escape. And what's that plan, Mr. Belly Button Guy? We demand more blue gems. I said ask. We ask for more blue gems. Not demand. Jeez. Yeah, we got this guy. But I'm just gonna do him again. I'm just gonna kill him again. Kill him again. Kill him again. So I can't go up there. What else is new? Am I going to pipe? Pipe? Pipe, pipe. Pipe, pipe. Feel like it's gonna be somewhere I don't want to go. Or like a side quest. So, a wannabe versus a wannabe equals run away. Put in the comments below if you want me to check out the place in part 2. But yeah, this is part 1. Yeah. Bomb-tastic. I've blown myself away. No! And also I forgot to cover my mouth. No! No! Hello, Mr. Pearson. I'd just like to borrow your desk. He looks all confused and stuff, waiting for me to strike, and then, yeah! Nah, I'm just gonna grab it. Grab. I can't grab invisible things. As if I could blow it up. They just disappear into the darkness of the world. You eating chicken. Chicken eaters out there? Feed those chickens. Chick-fil-A? Feed those chickens. KFC? Feed those freaking chickens. Chickens deserve to roam, not be eaten up by some strangers that smack a lot. They deserve freedom! 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 Yeah, freedom! Don't you get any freedom? Put that in the comments down below. But for real, they do need freedom. Freedom! Freedom! I don't know why I keep on singing this. Ooh, this is new. Ba-bing, ba-boom, ba-lee-dee-dee-lee-doo. Blue. I see red, I see blue, I see you. Let's see. What a wonderful world to die in. What a wonderful world to die in. No, my God. Eh. Button. For America! Scuba! I'm a scuba. I'm scuba. I'm scuba. Scuba. Yeah, scubats. Yeah. Anyway. We don't have enough to. At least you have some. Be grateful for what you got. You get what you get and you don't throw a bomb. That's right, kids. Now, do it in real life. You get what you get and you don't pick a bomb. Ain't that right? Whatever, Miss Haymore. Is it recess time? Yes. Yeah. Let's go that, which means Miss Haymore is still at school. Which means she's teaching stuff. And waiting for students to come back from recess when they're not even at recess. No. I got a spike and I got a bomb. You got a spiky bomb. No. My God. No. Nothing in this. Bombs away! I'm just a little chicken. Chicky. No! Well, that's all for today. Bye.